Amorians, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this Dambun Nama, meaning beef floss, using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Honestly, I used just 5 ingredients for this recipe and I can't wait to show you how I achieved this. Let's dive in. So first thing you need to do is mince some garlic and ginger. It is very important to add ginger and garlic whenever you're working with beef, a chicken or even fish. Next, I'm going to crush some red Scotch bonnet, some onions and yellow habanero pepper using my butcher mix food processor. Once that is done, you set aside. Now in your pot with enough water that you know will cook your beef thoroughly, add in your scotch pepper onion mix, add in your minced ginger and garlic, add your beef, add your seasoning and salt. I also added little MSG. Stir everything, cover and let it cook. Now, you must cook this until all the water in this beef is no more, meaning it has evaporated and your beef is truly cooked. So once you have something like this, now you're going to get a spatula, a cooking spoon or a turning spoon, to just crush everything. As you can see, my beef is tender, and just keep stirring until it breaks up. You can also add this to your food processor to just crush everything, or even pound it in your mortar and pestle. Make sure the water has evaporated. Next is you add the remaining pepper onion mixed of vegetable oil. Enough vegetable oil, please, if you want the best Dambun Nama. Let it get hot, then add in your dambu, or let me say your crushed beef. Now my oil here is just too hot, but just add everything. Keep stirring because you don't want a particular side to cook and the other not cook, so you need to keep stirring continuously until there is too much foam to handle. That way your dambu is ready. The foam is coming out here, but not that much. So it just keeps stirring, keep stirring. Now this is what I mean by too much foam to handle. At this point your Dambun Nama is ready. If you cook it further, it will be too dry. So you can cook it further but it will be too dry, or just remove it from heat at this junction. Remember, you must see this foam to know your dambu is ready, okay? If you do not see this, just know your dambu is not ready. You need to just keep stirring. And of course the color is there. As you can see, it has drastically changed in color. So now remove this from heat, get a strainer with something to catch all the oil on there. Pour your dambu together with the oil into the strainer, press it to remove all the excess oil, and then this particular step is very important. Get a cling film or baking paper, sorry, not cling film, aluminium foil or baking paper, put on top of your dambu, then put on something heavy on top to make sure it pushes all the oil out of the dambu. This is by far the best method. You can use anything that you know is heavy for that. Once it, look at all the oil that comes. This is why I say it even looks oilless, but it is not oilless actually. Next, just let it sit like that with that heavy object for some time, and before you know, it has drained all the excess oil in your dambu. Moment of truth. So here it's what we have. Just check this out, guys. I have squeezed out all the oil that I've put initially. You can save the oil for any other thing you like, and this is how you make the best Dambun Nama ever. Save this recipe for in time of Eid, and you can even start your beef lots business with this. Bye.